I was sent 6 different lip balm butters, and I absolutely love the packaging, even the box they come in. I just feel like it's so beautiful and simple. So I'm going to put one of them on. I feel like this one really matches my shirt, and then the rest I'm going to swatch on my arm so we can see the colors. They should be pretty light because they are lip balms. And let's apply. So brown sugar is this color. Goes on Silky, absolutely. Wow, what a gorgeous color. I actually wasn't expecting it to be such a rich color. That is absolutely beautiful. So a pretty dark color considering it is a lip gloss, a lip balm, and it's so hydrating. So if your lips are feeling dry, this is nice and hydrating. Okay, that is a beautiful color. Let's see what the other colors look like. So this is pink sugar. We'll apply it to the inside of my arm here. Ooh, yeah, these are definitely brighter than I was anticipating. So there's our pink sugar color. Very pretty. They glide on very easily. And then we have vanilla beige. They don't have any sort of taste or anything like that, or even a smell, which I was wondering about, just given their names. Okay, there's the vanilla beige, kind of a natural brown color. And when you apply it to your lips, obviously whatever your natural lip color is could change the color of what it is. This is going to be the vanilla color, so the lightest color. And vanilla is basically sheer. So I would say if you're looking for just clear, sheer, go for vanilla. Vanilla is sheer. Let me just double check that they don't smell. Actually, they have like a really light smell. Very light, very pleasant smell to them. So nice light smell on there. Okay, then we have cherry. Cherry red. Ooh, cherry red. Very vibrant. There's our vibrant cherry red color. Gorgeous. Lip balm butter. Super silky. These are vegan, cruelty-free. And poppy. So it's going to have a little more of that orange red in there. Little hint of orange, but actually still very much on the red side. So cherry and red, pretty similar. So lots of good color options there. I know kind of hard to see on the inside of my arm. I probably should have done the outside of my arm, but I feel like the inside sometimes just shows a lighter skin tone. But gorgeous, you guys. I don't think you can go wrong with any of these colors. Again, I am wearing right now brown sugar. I think this is such a pretty color. I love all of them. I do recommend maybe get all of them just so you can match with what you're wearing. And if you just want no color, go for the vanilla. That one is clear. And they're so hydrating. They glide on easily. And I think you're going to love them.